Okay. Let's walk the dog. Alright, calm down, calm down, calm down. Alright, where you gonna go? Get where you gonna go? There's like a dog over there and over there too, so I don't want him to go that far because he gonna get aggressive. Then, whoa, 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 calm down, dude, calm down. Calm down, dude, calm down. Alright, where you gonna go? Okay, you gonna go. Alright, he wanna go this way. Oh. Alright. Mark the location. Mark the location. He gotta mark his location. IP on IP on this is mine now. Wow. Alright. What is he doing? What is he doing? No, nothing. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Look at this view, dude. Amazing. I can't believe this from my house. Hey. Wait. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. There is, dude. Don't run, don't run. Alright. Fuck. He's very heading. I hope he get fucking hit by a car. Alright, mark the location again. Alright. There also this, but it for someone house, so I don't let him go. Go it road. This road. There also a dog too. If you go far enough, so there's not a lot of place that he can walk. And I'm not like near a park or something. Mark the location again. He got so many locations. If somebody pass on it, he gotta pay money, dude. See, there are dog over there. Can I zoom in? Wait. Oh. They're like a dog. Oh shit. Hello. Alright, they're like a dog over there. See? Wait, how I... Alright. See, that dog. Let's go. I mean, the dog one is following me. So I don't want them again. Oh. Dog. His name is Taro, by the way. Taro, like in the snacks. Yes. He bark. See? You probably don't see this, but let me zoom in. You see that? Yeah. Hey. Alright. I just go wherever he want to go. Shut up, dude. Shut the fuck up. What the hell is your problem, dude? Stop fucking barking. The fuck? Oh, what is he doing? I think he's going to take a shit. Wait a second. No, not go there. Don't go there. Alright, wait a second. Alright. Okay, done. I think he's gonna go take a shit. No, he's just peeing. No! Fuck. Dude. did also someone house. There also a dog over there. My village is full of dog. Done. There's someone else house. See. Look at the view, dude. Look at the view of my house, dude. And also look at this goofy dog. Dog, 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 dog. Oh. Oh. He gotta go follow the bike. What the fuck? The hills man over there, dude. Let's go. He got trying to follow the the cycler. You know what they call the person who ride bike? The bike rider. Yes, I gotta call him the bike rider. Because I forgot what that means. Dude, seriously. There's also someone over there with a red hat, with a red Mario hat. There's also a dog over there, a dog. And over there, there's also a dog. Shut up, dude. Didn't really shut the fuck up. Let's go. I'll let you go this way. Yeah. I don't want him to go meet other dog. Marked location. Alright, he don't now. Oh, there's some car coming in. Dude, genuinely, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, dude. I'm serious right now. Oh, the fuck. I think he found something. Oh, what's that? This is my house. I don't know if you can see it or not. What are you doing? Alright. So that's all, folks. We at my house now, so I'm gonna stop recording.